Welcome to the Green AP channel. Let's look at an example of receiving webhooks. Let's redirect requests from an external address to your local address. To do this, we'll use the ngrok application. Let's register using Google Mail. Download the application. Run it and execute the command specified on the site. Let's use another example from the library. In this case, you don't need to send the 200 status code. The library does this. Install the library. Run the example. Run ngrok in a neighboring terminal by executing the ngrok http://80 command. Go to the application page and take the address offered to us. Specify it in the settings of our instance. You can control requests on the application page. Send a message to yourself. We'll receive a notification in the terminal. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact our support service.